In this video demonstration, we'll be unlocking a mobile broadband modem using the unlocking solution we provide. For our example, we'll be using a Vodafone modem, but it's the same principle for all modems from all networks. First thing we need to do is connect our modem to a Windows PC. If it's the first time the modem has been connected to a computer, the Connection Manager software will begin to install. This needs to be completed before we begin unlocking. As you can see, I've already installed the Vodafone Connection Manager, and we need to make sure this is closed before we try and unlock. So we need to close it here, and some connection managers, as in this case, also have an icon in the system tray, so we need to right click on that and close it as well. Next we need to open our email from Unlocked Dongle, and here we can see that we're unlocking a Huawei modem, and for our example we're unlocking a K3565. So we need to download the unlocking software by clicking on the link. Yes, we want to save it. And once the software is downloaded, we want to open it. And next we want to install the unlocking software by clicking on DC Unlocker Client. Destination folder, this can be left as it is. Once the modem's been unlocked, we can remove the unlocking software. So we can click Install. Once it's installed, click Close. Just close some of these open windows. So if we look on our desktop, we've now got a new icon, DC Unlocker Client. So if we double click on that, we'll open up the unlocking software. The first thing we need to do is select our modem's manufacturer. So if we go back to our email, we can see we've got a Huawei modem. So from the drop-down list, we would select Huawei modem. If we had a ZTE modem, we'd go down here, select ZTE modems. One point of note is that for some modems we have special instructions. So for a ZTE modem, we'd have to insert an invalid operator SIM card. This simply means that we put a SIM card from another network in the modem. So if we go back to our Huawei modems, then we need select model. This should always be set to auto detect, and then click the search button. So the software will now scan for our modem, and it's found it, Vodafone K3565. If the software comes back with an error here and is unable to find your modem, a couple of quick things to try. One is disconnect your modem and reconnect it to a different USB port. The other thing is to double check that your Connection Manager software is fully closed. So after our modem has been successfully detected, we click on Server. Here we copy and paste our user account details. It's always best to copy and paste so we don't make any mistakes. So select our passwords. Make sure you don't copy a space like that. We just want the password. So copy and paste. And next we click on Unlocking. We just leave the default selection, read unlock code and auto enter to modem, and we click Do Job. So the software will connect with the unlocking server to validate our account details, and then as you can see here, card has been successfully unlocked. If you get an error message back here, something along the lines of unable to connect to server or something similar, just double check you've got an internet connection by opening up your browser and just going to a website. Yes, that's all working. So now our modem's unlocked, we can use a SIM card from any mobile network operator. There's just a couple of things we need to do before we start using different SIM cards. Is we need to install a generic connection manager, and we also need to create a new profile with APN settings relevant to the network we plan on using. More information on this can be found on our website, and also there's a video demonstration.